It's very soft, look. It comes out clean as that. Line them, still soft, like you see. You can still, wow. They're turning out, wow. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Diana, and if you're new here, feel welcome and make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, leave a like. And in my channel, I make vlogs as well as tech hacks. Just go through my YouTube videos and yes, you will understand more. And in today's video, guys, I want to show you how to make soft chapatis. And with me here, I have 2 cups of wheat flour, and I'm just going to add in, let's say, a pinch of salt, just a pinch of salt, you know, because I'm just making chapati for 2, me and my small girl. All right, and then I'm just going to add in little sugar, just little of it, a pinch of it, like half a pinch. And I have warm water here. I have my warm water here, and I just want to start mixing it. Okay, I'm just going to mix it like that, and I'm going to add water little by little. Okay, and start just kneading. And one thing that people do not know is that when you want to make these soft chapatis or even mandazis, you just need to go slow with your flour. You find people trying to rush it, and that is where things go wrong. As they said, good things take time. So I'm going to add little water like that. So you just take your time. You just add little water by little. So it reaches this stage, you see, this particular stage. You need to be very careful while adding water. Okay, so it is at this stage that you need to take most of your time. And for me, the trick that I learned, or that I realized, is that when it reaches this point, I'll just knead until this gets off my hand, you see. So I'll just keep kneading. Okay, and sometimes you can even remove it yourself. Okay, and I will dip my hands now into water. At this stage, you don't add water. Okay, you just dip your hands into water like that, and then you go in like that. This is where you just dip your hands into water. Don't mind, I'm using one hand to knead and the other one to hold the phone, so don't mind the noise. Okay, just focus on what the video is about, and comment where you're watching this video from. If you like it, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time coming to this channel, coming across this channel. And let's keep doing it. Let's keep kneading. We take our time, no hurry. No hurry, no hurry. I've added oil, and I will keep adding. So like I said, you need to keep kneading this flour until smooth, until your hand comes out clean like that. I haven't washed my hand, you know, I haven't done anything to it, just kept kneading until it, like, it gets off your fingers by itself. That is when you know you did a great job. And this is my final product. I didn't wash the sides of the basin. They just got stuck themselves. Let me show you. Do you see? So it's very soft. Look, the way just doing it seamlessly. Look. So when you dip in your finger, it comes out clean as that. That is when you know the flour is ready. So I'll just cover it for, let's say, 10 to 15 minutes as I do something else. Then let me see you back as we roll them. All right, washed my pan, it's ready. So let me put it for a few minutes, then we'll get to cooking these soft chapatis. Oh my god, my pan is already hot. After rolling, I always dry them first like this. I just like, is it drying or I don't know how to do. I just do like this first, like some sort of drying, and then I just place them in a bucket like that or in a hot pot. Yeah, so that is how I do. So let's keep going. Each one of you has a different style of cooking chapatis. Like you just roll and go in direct with oil. As for me, okay, I usually do both, but I do prefer after rolling, I just dry them on the pan. Not really like dry them to become hard, but that is how I do it. And then after rolling all of them and drying them like that on the pan, then I just go in with oil. And I think that for me works better or works best because it saves me time. I don't know. Comment in the comment section. What is your best preferred way? You roll, going direct with the oil, or you dry like me? Then after that, you go in with oil as you know. You continue. So after doing the drying things, these are my chapatis, not yet ready. So let's now start cooking them. On my pan, I'm going to add oil. I'm going to add oil like that in this chapati. And this way, I cook them so fast than you guys. You will love. You will love. So you can decide to put two, three. I have decided to put two. And wow, they're turning out wow as well. Okay, you see, wonderful. Drying them, still soft, like you see. You can still prick them like that. Look, a symbol of soft chapatis. Look, and actually, I'm using liquid oil to cook. I haven't melted. I don't like the solid one. I prefer the liquid one. Oh my god. Wow. Because there was a sound playing in the background, I had to do a voiceover. So I'm done cooking my chapatis and that's how they look. So let me show you how seamlessly they tear. Like they're super soft like that. Do you see? That is how you know you've did a great job. Like I said, the secret to making soft chapatis, it's on how you knead the flour. You know, the time you take. You don't need to rush while kneading the flour because that's where most of you go wrong and you end up having hard biscuit like chapatis. So here I'm eating them and they're just soft and so yummy. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.